What's up, guys? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we're talking about BSPM. It's been a bit of a slow week this week. Earnings is going on, money's moving around, and I've been noticing that a lot of these market movers intraday have been popping and dropping and just fading. And so it's been kind of difficult to find something to the long side. We had some nice plays on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday were pretty quiet. And Wednesday and Thursday I actually didn't even trade. And this is the first opportunity long that I've seen in a minute. And so essentially what we were doing, guys, was we were just hitting this right through here, waiting for a pullback. First thing in the morning, you can see the price rallied up right out of the gate. We got bullish and got long right through here. And we use a very simple trigger method, and that is that we just look to the previous intraday high. In this case, it's 434. And we just look to sell to see if there's any weakness and take profit at that first target. But you can see that this actually exhibited some very nice strength on this 1 minute chart, and it actually crushed through. And we were out at the bottom of this candle right through here at 465, getting in down at this level in the high 390s area. Now, I was bullish on this stock still, and I was thinking to myself, there's probably another opportunity to get long. And I did take another kick at the can right through here. And we were in on this breakout candle. And again, just following a very simple profit-taking method over here, about 550 is where we're looking to get out based on weakness. We saw some strength again, and then we were out on this candle right through here at 561. So net, we had two trades on BSPM. We used the same entry target model, and both trades were profitable. We did put this out on Twitter. If you're not following, we're at jlewistrading.com. And if you want to learn more about this particular trading strategy and how we put these trades on with such a high level of consistency, don't forget, A, first to like and subscribe to the channel, and B, click the description box below and head over to our website, because we actually have a free send out for you guys that will give you some insight on how we're trading these specific stocks every single day. And this did come from the J. Lewis Trading proprietary scan that we have. And again, we hit it, and the method was hit it and quit it. And so we hit it once, twice, took a walk on the stock, and this thing actually ended up sort of flattening out for the rest of the day, not doing too much. If you have any questions about this stock or any of the other trades that we've put on recently, feel free to email me directly. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that description box below.